Welcome to 18 Reynolds Road. This modern, single-level, low-maintenance home is not only exceptionally well built, but also has fantastic street appeal. The home has been built to a very high standard, with many details giving the home plenty of character and soul. The home is welcoming and cleverly designed to sit on a 700 square metre site and designed for all-day sun. The stunning kitchen is the hub of the house, inviting an open plan with all the modern fixtures and a large walk-in pantry. Living areas are open plan and incorporate the indoor-outdoor flow to the lovely flat section, with a beautiful garden offering an area that is private and enhances the home. An outdoor fireplace in the covered deck is an extension of the living area, great when entertaining. All 4 bedrooms are well appointed with generous cupboard space. The master with ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. Both the bathrooms are generous in size and aesthetically pleasing. The extra detail in this home, from the woolshed style slide doors to the intriguing feature ceilings, add a sense of quality. This is obvious upon viewing.